Good morning. Given problem, log x plus 3 base 4 plus log x minus 3 base 4 equal to 2. Find out the value of x. Solution, log x plus 3 base 4 plus log x minus 3 base 4 equal to log x base a plus log y base a equal to log x plus x into y base a. So this is right, log x plus 3 into x minus 3 base 4 equal to a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So this formula apply, log a plus b, a minus b, a square means x square minus 3 square, b equal to 3, let x square minus 3 square base 4 equal to 2. That implies log x square 3 square, 3 3 is 9 base 4 equal to 2. A power x equal to n. It implies x equal to log n base a. This is apply here, log n base a, log n base a equal to x, log x square minus 9 by 4 equal to n. That implies n ante x square minus 9 equal to 4 square. X square equal to 4 square equal to 16 minus 9 transfer to side plus 9. X square equal to 16 plus 9 25. So x equals x square 25 plus or minus 5 whole square. So square and square cancel. X equal to plus or minus